Today on the Struggling Guitarist, I'm going to struggle through Ted Nugent's Cat Scratch Fever. Let's get started. Ooh. Okay, let's dive into this amazing song from 1977. So do you know where he got the idea for Cat Scratch Fever? Back in 1975, Ted Nugent opened a medical journal, and right there at the top, it said Cat Scratch Fever. Now, this is usually an infectious disease caused by a cat scratch that usually affects young children. Well, Nugent absolutely loved this term. I don't know about the infectious disease, but he loved this term. What he did is he actually changed the meaning for cats to be women and cat scratch fever to mean, sorry kids and parents, coitus. I'm channeling my best Sheldon Cooper here for you guys, and his strong desire for it. Anyway, it's a crazy song. It is absolutely amazing, and I think everyone should learn it. Let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to scoot on up to this second fret here, and we're going to play the open A, which is the 5th string, and the 3rd and 4th strings on the 2nd fret. And we're going to play that. Make sure to not hit this big string. Then we're going to play an open A. We're going to scoot on up with our middle finger. We're going to play those same strings, just here on the 4th fret. Play an open A. Scoot on up to the 5th fret. Play that twice, followed by the open A. That's going to sound like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to stay on those exact same chords. We're going to scoot back down to the 2. We're going to play that once. Jump instantly up to the 4. Play the open A. Then you're going to play the 5 twice. And then you're going to repeat the first part. I messed it up. Here's the thing is, once you're on this 5, this second time through, you're going to walk backwards. It's going to be the exact opposite. See how that goes? So one more time. Now that is the intro. Now, the beautiful thing about this is I've grouped the intro and the verse together. They are identical in a lot of ways. It's really only one fill that's played twice. So you'd play through it the same way as you did before. However, during this pause, we're going to do an open, a 3, and a 4 here on the big E. Let's try that one more time. Then we go into the second part. And like that, you've got both the intro and the verse. Let's move on. Now let's tackle the chorus. What we're going to do is we're going to start back on this same 2nd fret with the same strings we used before. So we're going to do the open and 2s. We're going to reach over, do the open and 5s, do the open A, and then the open and 2s. So that would sound like this. Let's do that whole part over again to make sure we got it. Now, here's the trickiest part of that little thing. Because this is a quick run, it comes up fast, and it takes a little bit of practice to get used to. From here, we're going to go up, I like to go up, with my ring finger here, to the 5th string, 3rd fret here, and we're going to play open, 3, 4. Then we're going to play the 3 with our middle finger here on the big E, come back down to that 5th string on this 2nd fret. Then we're going to do an open, on the 4th, the 3rd, and the 4th. And then I'm going to play the 2nd fret 3rd string here. Then we are going to make this shape here, where we are now, my middle finger is on the 3rd fret 2nd string, and my index finger here is on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Back to that open and 2s. Then you would go and you would repeat the whole thing. Let's do the run one more time, just so we can hear that. Now let's take and put those two parts together. We'll do it nice and slow. And repeat. And like that, you've got the chorus. Let's keep going. Okay, let's finish up with the last part of this song, the bridge. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to put our index finger on the 5th fret 5th string and our ring and pinky on the 7th fret of the 3rd and 4th strings. And make sure to mute this big string, because if you flail like I do, I hit it all the time. I try and push this finger up to mute it. Now, you're going to play that once and pause. Then you're going to play it 4 more times. Then we're going to go down to the 2 and the 4s, it's the same strings, and do the same strum. Now, here's the trick to that part. Unlike the first time, where we did the 1, then 4 strums, we're going to make that slide down to the 2 and the 4s, the equivalent of that first strum. Repeat. And you're going to do that 3 times through, like I just did. On the 4th time, you're going to slide back up to the 5 and the 7s, just like we've been doing. And we're going to play pause and play 6 times. Slide up to the 7 and 9. Do 2 open E's, the power chord. 2 open E's. 1 open E, the power chord. 1 open E, the power chord. And then we'll scoot down and do open, 3, 4. Again. Okay? So let's try that one more time, the 4th time through. So technically, let's start down here. Let's start the 1 note slide up so we can do it. So. See how that works? Okay. Let's go through the whole thing one more time. So remember, we're going to go back and forth here 3 times, and on the 4th time, we'll go up to the 7 and 9s, followed by the open, the 2 and the 3. Then you go right back into the verse. Congratulations! You have everything you need to play Cat Scratch Fever. So thanks for helping me struggle through Cat Scratch Fever today by Ted Nugent. This is a quintessential song that I really think every guitarist should learn, and I'm surprised I haven't tackled it before. Anyways, thank you for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you next time on the Struggling Guitarist.